What's up, fool?
Motherfucking cooking and shit.
Shit. I already know. Let's see what we got going here. Oh, hell yeah. What's up, Louie? Yeah. Hey, Louie. What's up, Louie? Oh, yeah. Shit. Taking these fools' money and shit. You know what's up. This is what money do in the suburbs.
Why don't you pay my motherfucking money? Yeah, man, I just been dead 5 years in a motherfucking
I ain't got your money yet, man. What you mean you ain't got the money yet? Motherfucker, you best be coming to my cash, know what I'm saying? Man, fuck you, Tat. What you gonna do? Nigga, what I'm gonna do? Hell yeah. What's up, Louie? This the house, 2049 Schubert Drive. We out here getting money, eating good, sipping on scissors.
Nope. You mean no?
Shit. What you sipping on? Yeah. Here, take some of me. Keep filming, nigga. The full of that food.
Nigga.
What's up?
Okay. Okay, hold on. Motherfucking shit on the motherfucking grill. Cooking. Yeah. Yeah, nigga.
What I'm sipping on. Evan Williams, bitch. What you know about that?
Uh-oh, hold on. Where's she at? Here she is. Hell
Fuck out
yeah.
my face, fool. Fuck out my face. Nigga. Shit.
No. Take this thing, I'm gonna fucking drop it. It's 29'th.
Alright, what's the date today? October 20... What day is
It's
it?
on my phone, I don't know. I don't even know what day it is.
October 29th, 2016. Get your
September
boo.
29th.
October
month.
29th, yeah.
I got out the motherfucking penitentiary.
Fresh out the joint.
Fresh out the motherfucking joint.
Fuck yeah. What you know about that? We get money, we eat. What it is. Alright, peace.